Hey guys, so let's see how to install Kali Linux using VirtualBox. First we have to go to Kali's official page and install the installer part. I am using the 64-bit here. You can also choose your preferences. The next step is to install the VirtualBox. For that we have to go to Oracle VirtualBox, and here I am using the window host. You also have a lot of options to choose as well. So this is our installation part, and for completing it we have to accept the agreement, and once it's done it's ready to use. The installation part is done. Now this is how a VirtualBox looks like. We are creating a new scene for Kali Linux, and I am using Linux subtype as Debian and version as Debian 64-bit. Then the hardware specifications are 8 GB and 2 processor. You can modify it according to your PC's storage. Then the hard disk might be 30 GB. You should keep it about 20. We'll be modifying the settings a bit more. So first we have to change the display to the max. I'll be setting it to 128 MB. And then in general we are changing it to bidirectional as it allows us to copy and paste. Then in storage part we have to choose Kali ISO file in empty disk, and after doing so we have to change the network from NAT to bridge adapter. After modifying everything, we'll start. Once the process is done, so this is how the Kali Linux looks like, and now we have to configure the graphical install, and pressing the enter, then we have to select a language. I'm choosing English, a location and a keyboard configuration, and after everything's done the Linux will start loading it. Next we'll be creating a username and a password. Both of my username and my password are Kali, and here it goes. We're going to enable the partition disk. You can follow the steps which I'm doing right now. This could take a few minutes to load everything, so you may have to wait for a while. You can also choose XFCE here if you want. Make sure to select yes for completing the installation of GRUB bootloader. Finally, our installation is complete, and now we'll be giving a password and username to log in and check whether if it's working or not. Yeah, so this is how Kali looks like after installing, and this is Kali's terminal. We are using this command for upgrade and updating stuff, and we could also use many more guest additions by using our basic commands. So yeah, that's how the installation of Kali Linux looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.